All right, let's be real for a second. How many of us have looked at a to-do list and thought, how did I get this long? It's like no matter how much you cross off, more stuff just keeps popping up. But what if there's a smarter way? In this video, I'm sharing 6 alternatives to the classic to-do list that'll help you get stuff done without feeling totally overwhelmed. Actually, the thing with regular to-do lists is that they pile up fast. You add every little thing, walk the dog, call mom, reply to emails, and boom, you've got this massive list staring back at you. Honestly, it can feel like you're falling behind before you even start. But don't worry, I've got some easy ways to make your to-do list work for you with all that stress. First up is the things I need to do list. This one's simple. It's just for the big important stuff that has to get done today. Things like submitting a tax return or turning in that project that's due. The trick? Keep it short. You'll actually feel like you're getting stuff done, not drowning in tasks. Basically, it's the VIP section of your to-do list. Only the most important stuff gets in. Now, what about the stuff that's important but doesn't need to happen today? That's where the monthly goal list comes in. This is for things that matter but don't need to happen right away. Stuff like pitching new clients or updating your website. I usually do things at the end of the month. It keeps things organized without the last minute panic. So we've got your must to-do list and your monthly goals covered. Now, what about the stuff that keeps showing up on your to-do list? You know, the tasks you do over and over again. Here's where the can I outsource or automate this list comes in. If a task keeps showing up, ask yourself, do I really need to be doing this or can I hand this off? Things like scheduling appointments or uploading receipts can easily be automated or outsourced. Trust me, this one's a game changer. With those repetitive tasks handled, let's talk about the little stuff. You know, the quick, easy tasks you can knock out in between meetings. That's the spare time to-do list. It's for tasks that take 15 minutes or less, like replying to a LinkedIn message or decluttering your inbox. I like to tackle these whenever I've got a gap in my schedule. It's a great way to stay productive without overthinking. And you know what? It also beats doom scrolling TikTok for 20 minutes. All right, we've covered the big tasks, the small tasks, and the stuff you don't even need to do yourself. But what if you still have unchecked boxes at the end of the day? That makes you feel like you've done nothing. Don't stress, I've got a fix for that too. This one's called Things I've Already Done list. Instead of focusing on what's left, this list highlights what you've already accomplished. It's all about giving yourself credit for what you did, not worrying about what's still there. Seeing that progress, it feels great. Because sometimes you just need to see how awesome you've been today. Now for my favorite one, the list of stuff you don't need to do. Yup, that's a real thing. This one's called the Things I Have Permission Not to Do list. It's exactly what it sounds like. Tasks that aren't essential and don't need to get done. Giving yourself permission to skip them means you can focus on what really matters. And if you get around to them, that's just a bonus. Now, whether it's the VIP tasks, the non-urgent goals, or even the things you're skipping, one thing that can make all of this easier is automation. Why do something manually when a tool can do it for you, right? That's where Zapier comes in. No matter which list you're working from, automating those repetitive tasks will free up a ton of your time. You can set up a simple automation for things like adding tasks from emails, organizing your calendar, or saving Slack messages. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to set them up. If you're wondering where to start, no worries. I've got you covered with some pre-built automations that you can start using right now. Check the description below for links. So yeah, these are the 6 ways to keep track of your tasks and make your list much less overwhelming. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and if this helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.